If the rear wiper on your SUV is worn out, replacing it is a pretty simple DIY job. I'm replacing mine with this Rain-X RearView rear wiper model 850214. Let's open it up. Inside you get the rear wiper blade itself. This model is the 14-inch R142 version, so before ordering one, make sure this size and connection are listed for your vehicle. The rear view is designed specifically for rear wiper arms. Rain-X describes it as an OE-style replacement with a direct fit installation system. The company also lists smooth, quiet wiping. Now, let's get the old blade off. Lift the rear wiper arm away from the glass. At the connection point, release the old blade from the arm and work it free. Your exact connector might look a little different, so get a close look at how the old blade attaches before removing it. Here's the old blade next to the new Rain-X. This is a good time to compare the length and connector before installing anything. Now line up the new blade with the rear wiper arm and press it into place until it's fully seated. Give the blade a light pull to make sure the connection is secure. Lower the arm back into the glass carefully, don't let it snap down. And that's the installation. I'll run the rear wiper to check the sweep, contact with the glass, and whether there is any obvious skipping or chatter. For a basic DIY maintenance job, my first impression is that this is a straightforward replacement. The big thing is getting the correct Rain-X RearView size and connector for your vehicle. If this helped you with your wiper replacement, don't forget to subscribe.